Morning everyone, my name is Joyce. I read in first B class. One day in a fruit basket, three fruits were talking happily. I am Lucy, red apple. I help you stay happy and strong. Hello, I am sweet banana. I give you lots of energy to play. Everyone, I am red to see orange. I am full of vitamin C to help keep you healthy. Oh, I love chips and candies. I don't want to eat fruit. Please tell me I am crunchy, sweet and good for you. I will give you energy to run and jump. I help your body to stay healthy and strong. Fruit are nature healthy snacks. Eating different fruits every day help us to grow well. I will eat fruit every day. Healthy food make us happy. Let's enjoy